Earthing is important facility that must be provided for residential and commercial consumers that used 230 to 250 volts and 415 to 440 volts supply respectively. Similarly, industrial consumers that use 11 kV supply also needs to provide earth point. Earth point is a zero potential point whose value remains zero although any other potential gets connected accidentally with earth point. Such earth point is physically constructed using two ways. One is plate type earthing and other is pipe type earthing. For small voltages like 230 to 400 volts, plate type earthing is sufficient, but 11 kV system requires pipe type earthing. For both type of earthing, maintenance is needed to keep earth electrode in wet condition so that it remains at zero potential. Water pouring facility is provided at each earth pit below which earth electrode is buried in the ground. Let us understand constructional details of two types of pits one by one. In case of plate type earthing, 2 feet by 2 feet pit is dug for about 1 meter depth. Initial layers of salt, coal and soil are placed at bottom of pit. The copper or bead plate is about 1 feet by 1 feet is placed on these layers. This plate is firmly attached with thick copper wire using nut bolt and washer, or it might be welded with plate. This wire is taken away through a pipe to reach up to bottom of chamber constructed to keep earth in protected form. Above this plate layer of salt, coal and soil are placed successively. When this process is of putting layers completes, water is poured through pipe so that all layers would shrink to go down. This process is repeated till pit gets filled up to level of brickwork. As per convenience, water pouring point and earth point may be kept together or may be separated. This construction ensures contact of earth electrode with earth by largest possible surface, and frequent watering will keep the space in wet condition. This erection of earth point results in minimum earth resistance. Pipe type earthing is similar in many ways with plate type earthing. The difference is amount of depth of pit, surface area provided by pipe, and value of earth resistance. In case of pipe type earthing, pit is dig up to 1.75 meters, that is more than plate earthing. Secondly, pipe length is about 1.25 meters, which is with nearly 50 diameter. So surface area of earth electrode is larger. So naturally earth resistance is smaller in pipe earthing in comparison with plate earthing. When we consider 11 kV system, at least two independent earth points are necessary. This is because lightning arrestor needs separate earth point and rest of the equipment requires separate earthing. In case of 11 kV system, earth strip with rectangular cross section is used in place of copper wire. This earth strip is attached to pipe using clamps. Such a strip is galvanized and may be welded, and it reaches to all the equipment of substation.